Let's go. Any beat I touch get crushed in my clutches. Bruce beating battered instrumentals need crutches. I slap it till it's red, you think it was blushing. Chicago flow, they say I'm always brushing up on my skills, it's poetic justice. Like Tiger coming back just in time for Augusta. Master the flow, I'm coming for my doctrine. Can't kill too many boobs, don't got Johnny Cochran. Shout out to DJBooth.net, we rockin'. They hear I'm from Houston and they say it's shocking. Jaws to the floor, Jim Carrey in the mask. 151 proof, my pen got its own flask. Molotov cocktail, throw me on, have a blast. Came out of nowhere like a Steve Nash pass. No look to some looks to hype on the scene. That's a pawn to a rook to the piece next to Queen. Flow meaning new heights, rap trampo.
Once again, I want to thank TheWhat.com. It's your boy Hollywood Floss. You need to log in to TheWhat.com for all the hip-hop latest news, music, and info. Tune in.
The baddest box producing or spitting. I'm Major League swinging, OG style bringing. Old rappers on the